Hello everyone, it's Dran here and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are going to be making Nigerian puff puff for Easter from my mother-in-law's kitchen. Actually, I'm borrowing the kitchen for the weekend. So come along with me and let's get started. For this recipe, I'm going to be using some flour, sugar, nutmeg, milk flavor, instant yeast, warm water, salt and vegetable oil. In my bowl, I'll be adding 3 cups of all-purpose flour and about 1/2 cup of sugar. You can add more if you prefer more, but I feel this is just fine. Now I'll be adding 3 tablespoons of milk flavor and 1/2 teaspoons of nutmeg. Next, I'll be adding 2 teaspoons of instant yeast. Both instant or active yeast will work perfectly, but for this recipe, I am using instant yeast. However, if you're using active yeast, I will advise you prove your yeast before use to ensure it is active and also to avoid waste of time and ingredients. Next, I sprinkle some salt to taste and stir till it is well combined. Now I'll be adding a cup of warm water. I didn't have my measuring cups with me, so I used this instead. However, if you are using the standard measuring cups, this should be 1.5 cup of water. After adding my water, I'll go ahead to mix my batter. The batter is still a bit stiff, so I'll be adding more water. And I'll continue to mix till I get the consistency I want. After mixing properly, this is what your batter should look like. Next, I cover my batter with a kitchen towel and leave to prove in a warm place for 45 to 1 hour. Depending on the luxury of time you have on your hands, you can leave yours to prove for a longer period of time or till the batter rises about double its original size. So after an hour, this is what my batter looks like. Now I'll be using my spoon to bring the batter together. Next, I oil my palm, then scoop a portion of the batter and lay it carefully into the hot oil, just like so. Make sure you fry on medium heat to ensure it is well cooked inside out. If you don't want your hands to get messy, you can use a puff puff batter dispenser in place of your hands. And before you know it, guys, your puff puff is ready. I must warn, guys, this is dangerously addicting. If you enjoyed this video, please do well to give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Until next time, I'll talk to you shortly.